Hello everyone, this is Tyson, one of your Miami trainers, bringing you an updated video on where you can locate the MLS policies and procedures, also known as the MLS rules and regulations. In order to find them, you're going to go straight to our main website, which is miamirealtors.com, and then from there, you're going to access the MLS section located at the top of the website. Go ahead and give it a click, and that's going to take you straight where you need to go, which is the Miami MLS Resource Center. In order to find the policies and procedures, you're going to scroll down just a bit, and you're going to locate the section rules and regulations. Right here, you'll find the MLS policies and procedures. Once you click it, you're going to go right here, which is the Miami Association of Realtors policies and procedures, rules and regulations. I also wanted to make sure to mention that we have greatly updated the MLS fine schedule back on April 3rd of this year. I would implore all members to check all of the changes that have happened, specifically with the MLS fine schedule sheet. Thank you for tuning in. You can find more videos like this by going to our YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/miamitrainers, or by going into the MLS Help Center, which is located right here, which is miamirealtors.com/MLS. And then you'll find the Miami Realtors MLS Help Center right here on the left side of the page. Thank you so much and have a great day.